Well, hello there, Mr. Little Hurricane. I got my own little typhoon cyclone here. How's everybody doing? Happy Saturday, good morning, kumbaya my love, all that jazz. Oh. Well, we're in the cone of death still, but it's veering off to the east. So that means those islands, watch the hurricane, those islands are going to absorb pretty much all the wind and storm and rain, unless we get a direct hit and it makes landfall in West Palm Beach, which is about 20 miles above us. Then we are going to get wind, but we are going to get something. So we're good. I got one generator up and running yesterday, finished around 10 o'clock. Since I had left the generator out, the condensation and the humidity, there was water in the oil. So I literally had to get an oil filter, change the oil, change the spark plug, empty out the gas. Did a whole complete rehaul on the generator. Boom, started up just fine. Now I gotta do the same thing. Which way does this thing open, buddy? Oh, this way. Oh, there it is. Oh no. Oh no. Because it's cold. And he ate it. It's Hurricane Blueberry time. Blueberry hurricane. Space here. Which way is it going? Which way is it going? It's going that way. And this one's going this way. Oh. Why did a person just walk through my yard? Buddy, you're supposed to be protecting the house. That guy just walked through my yard. The great protector. Jeez. Ooh. I love the way he slides. Oh, there it is. Where'd he go? It's over here. It's over here. Hey, you, right here. It's right there. These things are little monstrosities. The 11 o'clock advisory is coming up. Guess what? At 11 o'clock. Hey, look at that. I'm so smart. Me and my big head and my opposable thumbs. So at 11 o'clock, we'll have a better idea. It's still at 85 miles an hour. Pressure is at 987, which is not bad. The lower the pressure, the stronger the storm. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Oh, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Get to launch it. He is all confused. Where did it go, buddy? It's under the wheel. I know. It got stuck. It got stuck in it. It got stuck in it. Here. See? Daddy helped. All right, 2 more. Eat the damn thing. There you go. There you go. They don't make any crying sounds like the carrots. They really don't. I'm just trying to run away. I like how he closes his eyes to eat. Hey, look at this guy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. I got your belly. Oh, I got the tail on the fish. Oh, I got your butt. Oh. Now you know where they are. All right, here, let's do this. Okay. Oh, sorry, dropped them. All right, if you're ever in trouble with friends and the cops show up, what do? You scatter! And they can only chase one. Let's get over here. Let's put in the 3rd refrigerator. All right, guys, we're doing good. We'll be okay. I'll be posting another video this afternoon. I gotta get the 2nd generator up and running. Tier wants to help, but maybe not. Maybe not. All right, guys, have a good one. We're safe. Oh, you found a blueberry. Oh, there you go. Oh, there's another one. See what happens. Look right here. That's a blueberry. Okay, go that way. And then that goes that way. All right. Everybody have a good one. Peace.